Good afternoon, traders. It is November 6th, Thursday, 2014, and the U.S. stock market is closed. Well, the Dow Jones Industrial Average made a new record high again today. It just keeps going up and up, and our equity keeps going down and down. Unfortunately, we had another crappy day. I'm laughing though. I'm not quite as pessimistic today as I was yesterday. I saw some things in the stocks and markets today that I think do bode positive for us, and I'll show those when you look at the charts. But regardless. We kind of took it on the chin again today. We closed out over $4,000 negative in our closeout trades, and we're carrying slightly over $3,000 negative in our open trade equity. And we did this on a day the Dow gained 69 points and again set a new record high. It's really tough, but maybe this is just something we got to go through, and it always seems so long, when it's happening 3 days, but 3 days is nothing, it all can turn around pretty soon. Anyway, let's take a look at the...
Okay, we're looking at the Dow here, and, holy smokes, look at this. The last 3 days we got almost a nice, perfect, almost 45-degree angle up. There's very little weakness in that market. That looks just really, really strong. And when it got up here, it closed almost on its high today, record highs. And I would say either this thing's going to explode to the top side or it's going to break down. And I don't know. I kind of think maybe something might happen tomorrow. But we'll just have to wait and see. It certainly looks like a strong market, but we are not tapping into profits yet. So let's see what happens. I'll show you a few of the interesting trades. I'm going to show you. This was really a terrible trade for us. It's a brand new market. Agios Pharmaceuticals, and I hope I'm pronouncing that right. I tried to find the pronunciation on the internet, but I couldn't find it. Anyways, AGIO is the stock symbol, and we had bought this yesterday on a pop-up and managed to get almost a high tick of the day, and then it sold off, but it still wasn't too bad on the close yesterday, and then bam, right on the open we're slammed, and that thing cost us about $3,600 negative, big loss. But it kept going. I mean, by the time we get down here, this is $5,000-$6,000 loss if we hadn't gotten out of there. But then look at this thing. It just explodes, going topside. And this isn't. I mean, I know this is very frustrating. This thing gets up to almost where we bought it, so we could have gotten out, almost break even on it. Somehow we could have foreseeing what was going to happen here. So, on one hand, this is just an absolute horrible trade, the worst possible for us. But what I look at and I see, this market has a lot of pizzazz. I'm glad it's in our portfolio, and we will see some very profitable trades in this stock. There's no question about it. This thing has a lot of volatility, and I would say with this kind of spike down here and that kind of follow through, this thing is going up. So I in spite of the fact that we got slammed for $3,600, I'm not real disappointed in that stock. I'll show you another one here. This is another new one, and this is called Straight Path, STRP, and it cut a straight path today. Certainly, we got into this fairly late in the day, and it just kept going. We got about $2,000 in straight path, and that's looking real good to me. New market, and it is looking good. And finally, I'll show you another one here. This is not a new market. This is NBIX, which is Neuroscene Biosciences. And I'm going to tell you, every time I see this stock doing something, I think back to the beginning of the year, because I have two pieces of software and they tend to interpret my system just slightly differently. And the software that I do not use for my signals took a signal in this stock like January 6th or something like that, and that made like $46,000. It was just an unbelievably good trade. So I look at this stock and I think, hey, maybe one of these days I'm going to be in it when it makes $46,000. We'll just have to see. Did pretty well for us today. We got a pop up here, and it just kept going, and it closed near its high. And we have about $2,000 in open trade equity in Neuroscene Biosciences. So, bad day, but I still am kind of pessimistic, or not pessimistic, but optimistic about what might be coming down the line fairly soon. This is Trader Bob signing off. I'll see you tomorrow on Friday.